Alright, I think everyone is done. Okay, so congratulations again, Maya-san, for facing the first. And congratulations also to Chikako-san, Akea-san. Okay, so let's look at the... Okay, let's just review the questions. So, okay, I understand. I understand for those who answer sawa. But sawa, when we say sawa, it's actually like the paddy field. But when we say paddy, it's actually the paddy itself. Okay, sawa is the field, the big field. Okay, next one. Okay, it's understandable. So if you still remember, we read about musim kemarau in the book. This one. Hold on. This one, musim kemarau, about the chicken. So this is where we got it. Musim kemarau. Okay, musim bunga is spring. Musim luruh is autumn. Musim tengkujuh is the rainy season. Usually, I think in Malaysia, we have rainy season. This one, okay, one person answered sayang. Sayang is actually love. For example, saya sayang awak means I love you. Saya sayang awak means I love you. Hold on, let me just show you. I think this is saya sayang awak means I love you. So sayang means to love. Okay, next. Yes, correct. Bahagia also means happy. Risau actually means worry. Worry. This one. Okay, the next one. Okay, everyone got this correct. Okay, so bus means bus. Motorcycle means motorcycle. And then we have bicycle, which means bicycle. If you notice, these words are it's similar. They are similar with English words, right? Okay. So next. Okay. So makan means to eat. This one, two people got correct. Okay. Next one. Okay, I understand. I understand why people answer jalan. Okay. So basically jalans mean to walk. To walk. Okay. It's kinda, if you look at the picture only, then it's correct. Jalan, to walk. But when we say to go somewhere, it's pergi. So yes, one person got correct. Okay, the next one. Okay, this one correct. Tutup means to close. To close. To close. Tutup. Okay, two people answered tutup. Okay, let me clarify. Tutup means to close. For example, saya tutup pintu, which means I close the door. Pintu is door. Pintu is door. Okay. Okay, the next one. Oh, okay. Two people got it correct. Saya tinggal di Osaka. This one, tidur is to sleep. So this This means I sleep in Osaka, so it's wrong. Okay, so, okay, this one, everyone got correct. Okay, everyone got correct. Okay, everyone got correct. Everyone got correct. Okay, so there's no problem with musim. Okay, that's all for the quiz, for the vocabulary quiz. So congratulations. Now we are going to look at we are going to look at the tata bahasa, which means grammar. Let me just change this. Everyone can hear my voice, right? Okay. Alright. Okay, now let's look at the tata bahasa. Tata bahasa, which means grammar. Okay, let me ask because I have two class, so I got confused whether I have teach this class, this one or not. Have I teach this class about this one? Have I? I think I did, right?
Yes, we learned.
Okay. So yes. Okay, so just for a review, so when the root word of Malay, we put per in front of it, it's a noun. And when we put ma in front of root word, I'm sorry, I think it's more. Okay, when we put ma in front of the root word, it means it's a verb. Okay, so ma is a verb and per is a noun. Okay, but there's another verb. There's another prefix that we can. There's another prefix that shows the word is a verb, which is the ber. Okay, so let's look at it one by one. Okay, this is what we are going to learn today, the ber verb. So when you found a word in Malay that starts with ber, it's usually verb or kata kerja in Malay. So when are ber used? What's the difference between ber and what's the difference between me? What's the difference between ber and me? Okay, so using ber, there are a few functions. Okay, there are a few cases where ber is used. There are functions for the ber verbs. Okay, for example, the first one, when the action for an action that one performs upon or for oneself. Upon oneself, for oneself. For example, to walk. These are all the verbs, the verbs. Okay. Berjalan, to walk. Berlari, run. Because these actions, to walk, is upon myself. I am the one who is walking. Upon saya, for example, saya sedang berjalan, which means I am walking. So, this action, the action of walking, is upon myself. I am the one who is walking. Okay. Or other example would be okay. Never mind. Maya-san sedang berjalan. Okay. So Maya-san is walking. So the action of walking, the one who do it is Maya-san. So that's what it means by performs upon oneself. Okay. And then we have berlari, to run. To run. Okay. So, like I said, the verb, we form it by adding it in front of the root word. So, can Chikako-san please tell me what is the root word for this word?
Jalan.
Yes, correct. Jalan. Okay. This one, hold on. Okay. So, jalan is the root word. Same as this one, lari is the root word. So when we say berlari, we are the one who are running. So that is why we use the ber prefix. For berdiri, to stand. I am the one who stands, so we use ber. Bercukur, to shave, right? I am the one who are shaving. Bersole, to make up. I am the one who is doing the makeup. So we use the ber prefix. Bermimpi. I am the one who is dreaming. So that's why we use ber prefix. The same with the others. The same with the other words. If you look at all these words, it's something that we do upon ourselves. Okay. And then, so in the case of verbs that already starts with the letter R, such as rehat and renang, only ber and not ber is prefixed, making it berehat and berenang. So if the root word itself starts with R, okay. If the root word starts with R, we just need to add b in front of it. For example, rehat and renang. So the root word itself already starts with R. This one is also R. So we only have to add b and it becomes berehat, to rest, or berenang, to swim. Okay, so that's it for the first function. When do we use ber? When do we use the prefix ber? When the action is performs upon oneself, for oneself, for oneself. In this one, I would like to highlight this. Okay, let me highlight it in blue. Hold on. Okay. This one, this is the first function or first reason we use the ber. Okay, what's the second one? The second functions on why we use the ber prefix is to indicate possession. To indicate possession. You have something. You have something. For example, sejak berumur 5 tahun dia tidak lagi beribu. This one, beribu. I would like to highlight this one. Okay, if you still remember, let me just... Okay, ibu. Ibu means mother. Ibu means mother. So when we add the ber, it means have a mother. This one. Have a mother. Okay. Remember that we learn, for example, if I want to say I have a mother, you can say saya ada ibu. Atau saya mempunyai ibu. Ada. We use the word ada. We have learned it before and we have used it a lot of times before, which means to have. But if we want to make it shorter, we just say beribu. Okay. Is there any question until here? Anyone have questions until here? No? Okay, I will proceed. So, the next one. Okay. Okay. Chikako-san, can you help me translate this sentence into Malay? I have a car.
Saya ada sedan kereta.
Kereta. Saya ada kereta. So this is correct. I have a car. However, if we want to change it, if we want to make it shorter, we can just say berkereta. Berkereta. It's the same meaning as this one. Okay? Let me just hold on. Berkereta and ada kereta is the same meaning. For this one, beribu and ada ibu is the same meaning. So this is the second function of ber. Sorry. Okay. Alright, the next one, berduri. Berduri, which means it has thorn. So when we say berduri, duri is actually thorns. Duri is thorns. So everyone knows what durian is, right? Everyone knows, right? Yeah, it's the smelly fruit. Yeah, so it has thorns. So berduri means ada duri. Okay. has thorns. Okay, and then this one, berha. Berha. Ha is right. Ha is right. The right. So when we say berha, it means ada hak. So when the person say saya tidak berhak, this one, saya tidak berhak. Tidak berhak means tak ada hak. I don't have rights. So, okay. Until here, is there any questions? No. Alright. Okay, that's the second one to indicate possession. Let's review. The first one is when the action is for oneself. The second one for possession. So the third one, it indicates what a person is wearing. This is much easier. For example, hold on. Let me separate this first. Okay, let's look at it one by one. Okay, so baju, this one. Baju means clothes, clothes. So when we say berbaju means he is wearing a cloth. He is wearing a cloth. Okay, so it says here, dia berbaju batik. So batik is actually just a name of a traditional Malay cloth. Let me show you what batik looks like. Baju batik lelaki. Yes, this is batik. Sorry, it's loading. Yes, this one is batik. This is what batik looks like. This is for men, but we also have for women. This one. Yeah, these are for men. Yeah, like this. All of these are batik. Okay, if we just type batik maybe, let's look at what, yeah, these are batik. This is how it is made. I'm not sure if, yeah, I think there's an event at JDC before this, like this. And for women, yeah, these are for women. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, so dia berbaju batik means he is wearing the batik cloth. But when we say baju, it's actually clothes. Berbaju, wearing clothes. Okay, how to say? Can Afia-san help me to translate this sentence? Sorry. I am wearing a kimono. How to translate this? Yeah. Saya
baju
correct, the baju. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, correct. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about the next one? The next one. Okay, kasut. Kasut actually means shoes. Kasut actually means shoes. Putih. Putih actually means white. So it's saying that wearing shoes, wearing a white shoes. Berkasut, to wear shoes. Berkasut means, sorry, to wear shoes. Berbaju means to wear clothes. Yes, that's what it means. Okay, can Maya-san please okay. Can Maya-san please make a sentence with this word?
In Malay,
Yes, in Malay, using this word.
saya bekas
Mm-hmm.
hmm,
Berkasut.
black shoes.
Oh,
Black,
hitam.
hitam,
Hitam. Hitam.
hitam.
Hitam is black. This one. Hitam is black. Yeah. You can also say saya berkasut tinggi. Okay, tinggi means tall. So when we say kasut tinggi, it means high heels. Okay, the next one. Berseluar jeans. Seluar means pants. So when we say berseluar, it means to wear pants. Berseluar. To wear pants. Okay, it's the same with this one. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the next. Okay, so there are two more functions for ber. Okay, this is the next one. So it is used for an action between two people. Between two people or interaction with other people. For example, okay, the verb to fight. To fight, when we are fighting, we need two or more people. So that's why we use the ber prefix. Ber lawan. To boxing, it's between two or more people. So we use ber tumbuh. To marry, when we are marrying, we need two people, right? So that's why we use ber. The same with the other words. Okay, that's the function for ber. Okay, the last one. I know this is a lot, but we are at the last one. For utterance, when you are saying something out of your mouth, we use the ber prefix. For example, berkata, to say. Bercakap, to speak. We use mouth, it out of mouth. Okay. Berdoa, to pray. Berjanji, to promise, and so on. for utterance. Okay, so these are the cases, or these are when we use ber the ber how we call it, the ber prefix. But there are a lot more actually. These are just common ones that we usually see, we usually use. Yes. Okay, so enough grammar for today. Is there any question for today's grammar? No. Okay, let's review. Okay, let's just review. The first one is when the action is upon or for oneself, for possession, what someone is wearing, interaction between two or more people, and utterance. Okay, so these are when we use the verb. Okay, let's look at we are done with today's grammar. There's no questions. We are going to do some reading exercise. Hold on. Okay. Okay, we are going to start. I'm sorry, let me drink some water. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we are going to start with, I think, Chikaku-san, then Afya-san, and then the last one, Maya-san. Is that okay? Alright, okay, Chikaku-san can start first. I will correct if there's wrong pronunciation.
ここ文がミステリ
Perfect. So, is there any word that you know here?
ー。文が
Correct. It means,
flower.
yeah, correct. Okay, we'll get back to it. Okay, so pokok, hold on. Pokok means tree, bunga means flowers, and mystery means mystery. Yeah. So a mysterious flower. That's what it means. Okay, the next one, Afya-san. Can you read the next line? This one.
Shariha
Mm-hmm.
Ada Bun.
Okay, perfect. Afya-san, can you please translate the line, because this sentence is very easy actually.
Shariha likes. I don't know Ada means.
Pada, okay. So pada is it's just something like particle, like a connector. So it means two words.
Two.
Yeah.
Two.
So you don't have to look at it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shariha likes flower.
Yes, correct. Actually, if we don't put the pada here, we can still understand it. It's just connectors. Okay. Correct. Okay, the next one. Maya-san, can you read the next line?
ディアスラル
Mm-hmm.
ムノロン
Mm-hmm.
イブニャ
Mm-hmm.
ムナマムナんムナンムナンアン
Okay, this is how we read it. Me, na, na, nam, nam. Me, na, Nam.
무난함
Mm-hmm.
분가.
Correct. Okay. So, do you remember what this means? Okay, it's okay. What about this one? Ibu. Do you still remember what ibu means?
맞아.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so it says here, Shariha likes flower. She always helps her mother plants flower. Okay, the next one, Chikaku-san, can you please read the next line?
리아주가 쓰다 무난함
Mhm.
beberapa datang pokok bunganya sendiri.
Okay, perfect. But can you please repeat this one again?
Datang
Oh, okay, correct. Alright, Afia-san, can you read the next one?
Sejak? Datang. Syari.
Setiap. Setiap.
Setiap
Mm-hmm.
datang.
Correct.
Syarihah selalu
Mm-hmm.
menolong ibunya menila
Mm-hmm.
okobun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Alright, the next, Maya-san, please, can you read the next line?
이브 등고
It's not
나?
tengok, it's te. Tengok. Tengok.
등고라
Mm-hmm.
등고라 pokok bunga rose saya.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Chikaku-san, can you please read the next one?
bunganya sudah berkembang.
Okay. Afia-san?
Banyak sampah
Mm-hmm.
harum
Harum.
harum
Maya-san? Maya-san?
Yes. Syariha
Mm-hmm.
memberitahu
Mm-hmm.
ibunya
Mm-hmm. Okay. Chikaku-san?
Dia sangat gembira.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Okay, Afia-san?
yang bunga ros itu sangat cantik.
Mm-hmm.
Sejak ibunya
Okay. Correct. Okay, let's take the first one. Okay. I want to ask everyone here, Chikaku-san, Afia-san, and Maya-san. Can you please identify or tell me which word is the verb? Just say it. Can you find the verb?
suka
Okay, suka. What else?
suraru
No?
menolong.
Correct. Menolong. Okay, why is it a verb? Because it starts with mer. M-E. Mer. Okay, so it's a verb. Alright. Afia-san, can you say a verb here? Can you find a verb here?
주가.
No? Okay, so the trick is, the tips is to look for m or ber. M or ber.
네, 무난함.
Correct. Menanam is a verb. It starts with m. Okay, other than that, what else? Is there a verb here? This sentence.
은어랑
Correct. Okay. What else?
문이람.
Correct. Meniram. It starts with m. Meniram. Correct. Alright. How about here? Is there a verb in this sentence?
박앤반.
Berkembang. Correct.
berkembang.
Correct. Why is this a verb? Can you answer? Guys? Yeah. Yes, correct. It starts, the word starts with ber, so it's a verb. Okay. Chikaku-san, is there a verb here?
흔들리다우.
Yeah, correct. So this is a verb. So it's very easy to find verbs in Malay. You just have to look for m or b. But there are verbs that don't use m or b. For example, suka. There is no m and b there. Okay, and also ujar. Ujar is actually a verb too. Alright, now let me translate it one by one. So Shahira likes flowers. She always helps her mother to plant flower. She has planted some of her own flowers. Every evening or every afternoon, Shahira always helps her mother what we call it, water the flowers. So this is a dialogue. Mother, look at this rose. Their flowers has already bloomed. This one bloomed. Their smell is very fragrant or good. Shahira told her mother. She is very happy. Yes, the rose is very pretty, say her mother. Okay, so let's add our vocabulary for today. And I'm going to ask for it later. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Kosa kata for today. Kosa kata for today. Kosa kata hari ini, which means today's vocabulary. Okay, let's first look at the verbs. Sorry, the verbs. Okay. First one, we have suka, which means like. Then we have menolong, to help. And then we have menanam, so plant. Then we have menyiram, to water the plant. And then we have berkembang, yes, which means to bloom. And then we have memberitahu, which means to tell. Yes, or to let someone know. And then we have ujar, to say something, to say something. These are all verbs. Okay, and then let's look at. Sorry. I'm surprised. Suddenly my door opened. Okay. Okay, let's look at the nouns. Let's look at the nouns. Just want to put aside. Yes. We have bunga. I think everyone already know this. It's flowers. Okay, and then we have pokok. Okay, pokok, which means tree actually. So if it's pokok bunga, it's more like a flower tree. And then what else we have here? Petang. Petang. This one, petang. Which means, I think everyone knows this. It can mean afternoon, but sometimes it can also means like evening, like 6, 6 petang, for example. Okay, and then what are other nouns that we have here? Ibu, which means mother. Okay, those are the nouns that we have here. Shariha is the name of this girl. Yes. Okay. Other words. Other words that we have, like connectors or anything. Okay. It's selalu, which means always. This one, selalu. And then we have juga, which means also. And then we have setiap, which means every. So when we say setiap petang, it's every evening or every afternoon. So if we want to say every morning, right? Every morning, we will say setiap pagi. Setiap pagi. That's how we use it. Alright. Okay, what about sangat? Sangat means Frozen? I'm sorry, what is frozen? Is my screen frozen? No? Oh, eh?
Yes, we can watch.
Sorry?
We can watch your slide.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Only Afia-san.
I see. But she's already... I think she got disconnected. She's not here.
Yeah, she already left.
I see. Okay, it's okay. We can share the recording after this. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Okay, yeah. So we continue. The sange here means very. Alright. Okay, and then let's look for some adjectives. Adjectives. The last one, we're just going to look at adjectives. The first one that we have here is yes, this one, harum, which means it smells good. Oh, okay. It's already late. Let me just finish this up. And the last one is gambira. Gambira, which means happy. Okay, that's all for today's word. I'm sorry. It's just okay. Alright, so before we end our class, is there any questions? No? Okay, thank you. So we are going to end this class now then. Okay, so thank you very much to everyone. I hope everyone have a good rest. And selamat malam. Thank you for joining today's class. I really appreciate it. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.